Hey guys, Dr. DenBoer coming to you, Dementia Doc. Again, I am not a licensed provider. I am a business innovator and a guy with a weird haircut, but a guy that was a former geriatric neuropsychologist turned business innovator in the space of dementia and aging. So coming at you here to talk a little bit about the different types of dementia, So this is again, not medical advice, not offered to represent medical advice. So many people wonder about, is Alzheimer's and dementia the same thing? And the answer that I almost always provide is no, and also that it's very, it's kind of disheartening to have everybody continue to ask professionals this question for a longer period of time, because it's a very kind of simple question that the public policy regarding dementia, etc., has not really given a great answer to. So I'm going to run through the different types of dementia, and hopefully this is helpful to you here. So one common type of dementia, or perhaps the most common type of dementia, is Alzheimer's disease. So dementia of the Alzheimer's type, typically characterized by a buildup of amyloid plaques and tau tangles in the brain. Another different type of dementia is vascular dementia. Vascular dementia is typically defined and typically found where people experience microvascular ischemic changes in the brain due to multiple small ischemic strokes. The third type is, and we're getting a little rarer here, but Lewy body dementia, and this typically involves the presence of Lewy bodies in the brain, which can typically lead to fluctuating cognitive functioning, including sometimes hallucinations, movement problems, etc. The fourth type of dementia, that is not, again, we're not necessarily going in rank order, but also in terms of rarity, is frontotemporal dementia. This typically affects the frontal and temporal lobes of the brain. This typically causes changes in personality, behavior, and language. All these forms of dementia can be mixtures of different types of dementia ultimately. So Alzheimer's, vascular, Lewy body, and frontotemporal can all be mixed. There are rare types of dementia as well, including Jakob-Creutzfeldt disease, which is a rare and rapidly progressing form of dementia, caused by essentially misfolded prions, which are proteins in the brain. Also, Parkinson's disease. This is a type of dementia that can develop in people with Parkinson's disease, which is the movement disorder, which is characterized by cognitive decline and different movement problems. Huntington's disease is a genetic disorder that can lead to dementia and movement problems. Again, a movement disorder primarily. There's other forms of that can sort of be characterized under the dementia umbrella, including ALS and also multiple system atrophy, which is generally a neurodegenerative disorder that causes dementia and other symptoms like movement problems. And then another form is normal pressure hydrocephalus, which is a condition which causes excess fluid buildup in the brain, which causes dementia and other symptoms. This has gone on for about 4 minutes. There are many, many other forms of dementia, but the thing to remember about dementia is there's no one pure form of dementia. No, not one pure form. So that's important to realize and important to keep in mind. Many forms of dementia are mixes of different types. So hopefully this helps. Have a great day and a great week. Take care of yourself and each other. Thanks. Bye-bye.